Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dimples Philippines, and for today's video guys, I will show you some of my work today here. So today finally guys, they will do the slab, they will pour the concrete. Workers are getting all the gravel and also the sand. We still have a lot of sand, and of course, so now guys, let's proceed going to the house, okay? And also, for the meantime, my brother's cooking for our for the lunch of the workers. And it's busy, my father. Yeah, my workers are very busy for today. Yes. Yeah. So they are they're mixing the concrete. They're mixing the cement, sand and gravel. Yeah, this is sand. Sorry, yeah. So I have more workers today, guys, than usual, because today is the day that they will pour the concrete. I need more people to do this. Paghay mo kuya, sikat mo sa YouTube, yeah. Oh yeah, lagi. So we have two here also. So I have two groups that mixing the concrete. Paghay mo kuya para masikat mo sa YouTube, yeah. So yeah, I have more workers, so we need to get up here. Yeah. So they already pour some of the. Smile pod mo kay para malingaw po ni ako mga subscriber basi like mag-donate sila beer, so okay kayo. Magkuan. So yun na kuan ang kanang money beam. So they start with the beam, guys.
Ato bang sa kuan basil po, I have to ha sa left and the right.
Yeah. They already poured the beam for the moment. Biboy nun kain waka sa mixer atong gigamit.
Baitol kay gusto sa baitol ipaandaron nato imong kuan dito dai. Speaker kay musayaw ni Uber po man eh. Sayaw mo ni. Paro niyo. Paliwalaon ni sayaw ni sayaw ni baitol.
Masagan pa man siguro ning makuan kaysa sa mixer. Ang makuan ani.
Dugay lang. Dili pa pili.
So that's what they do, guys. Pass and then pass. Yes. From here, okay, going there, going here. Sand. So guys, that's what they do. They just it's a bayanihan called bayanihan. So like that. They're having fun though. So that's the progress for now. Later on I will do a stream so you can see guys. I hope my signal will be good. And this is the other place also. It will mix the cement. So there are two groups after there and here. So yeah, if you're new to my channel guys, hit subscribe, thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you will always be notified. Thank you, God bless, and be happy everyone. Bye.